Everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sambhu from CloudTech. Today, I am going to demonstrate AI. What is AI? Is AI is the future? No, AI is the present. So how we can use the AI and what purpose we can use that AI and how AI can solve our day-to-day life also. And in my subsequent video, I will demonstrate how we can create our own AI agent. That also I will demonstrate. So let's deep into that. So AI is basically it's a artificial intelligence. That means simply like it's a computer. What human can think, this computer also can think and do very perfectly. For example, like we are using Alexa nowadays, right? So that also is doing by AI. ChatGPT we are using, right? That is also kind of AI, and many more. Claude and Flowise, many more we are using, right? All are AI. Like if you are using Apple phone, then Siri is the one AI. Okay, guys. So there are different type of tools available to build your AI agent or to work on with related to AI. Like if I say like first in our mind it will come like ChatGPT. ChatGPT basically is a ready to use AI chatbot, and it will assist you by OpenAI, and it will assist you like if you want to document something, if you want to find something, if you want to ask like okay, I am doing this one, make some code, or if you want to ask like okay, make my this email or sentence correction writing, anything, even if you want to create an image kind of thing, right? It will create an image also. There's many things we can do by ChatGPT. Okay. Then one more thing is tools like Claude. The Claude, one more is a AI like chatbot plus model. Here, what we can do, we can create one AI agent, and that we can integrate to Claude. And Claude basically is a LLM, right? So this LLM we can integrate with that in the Claude interface. Then by using some other LLM like or Azure or maybe ChatGPT or maybe AWS, some of the model LLM model we can integrate. I will show you how we can use ChatGPT, how we can use Claude. Okay, guys. So how we can integrate MCP server with this Claude. That part also I will show you. Then one more thing will come is a Flowise. Flowise, one more like a tool. If you want to create your AI agent, right? Then just no need to do any coding or maybe very less coding. Just drag and drop kind of thing. You can create. It's a kind of interface where you can create your own AI agent. I will show you that how we can create a AI agent by using Flowise also. Then one more come is the Azure OpenAI. Like I was saying, right? LLM model. Basically, it's an enterprise cloud service. If you want to use that OpenAI model, then you can use it. And by using this AI model, we can integrate, like when we are creating AI agent, right? That time we can integrate that this LLM to your AI agent. I will show you how we can do that also. And one more, it will come like Azure Bedrock also is available. This is also kind of how Azure OpenAI is there, right? Bedrock also, this is also one LLM model. And this also we can integrate like Flowise AI agent or Claude, wherever you want. Okay. So if I give you like a easy and like a very clear picture about all this like ChatGPT, Claude, Flowise, Azure OpenAI, is AWS Bedrock, how we can use, what the purpose, like what is this AI ChatGPT is the AI chatbot, and Claude also AI chatbot. But Flowise is completely, if you want to create your own AI agent, then you can use the this Flowise. And Azure OpenAI, like I said, it's an enterprise AI cloud, and AWS Bedrock also same enterprise AWS cloud. AWS one is provided, AWS one is provided by Azure. And company OpenAI, and Claude is the anthroponic open source. Flowise is the open source, like a Docker image. If you want to just take the Docker image Flowise and you can integrate, you can run the Docker image, then you can use it. I will show you how we can do that. And OpenAI, Azure, that Microsoft, and AWS Bedrock definitely is a Amazon. And ready to use. Yes, ChatGPT is ready to use. Like I said, right? If you want to do anything, documentation or any image creation, you can use it. Ready to use. Claude also ready to use. But Flowise is not ready to use. If you want to create your own agent, then you have to create by using Flowise. I will you have to start button. You have to drag the AI agent. What tool you want to create, or different kind of tool if you want to set up. Then I will show you how we can do that also. Similarly, Azure OpenAI also, it's not ready to use. AWS Bedrock also same. Can I build AI agent on ChatGPT? No, absolutely no. Can I build AI agent on Claude? No, absolutely no. But Flowise, yes, I can build the AI agent in the Flowise. Whereas the Azure OpenAI, yeah, you can do, but you have to do some coding via coding only. Okay, so now ChatGPT, do I need to do coding if I want to use it? No, no need to do any coding. Even you no need any knowledge about the coding also. You just type natural language, whatever you want. Then ChatGPT is a kind of chatbot. It will reply. It's very nicely and very good presentation UI. Okay, Claude, I like Claude UI. Like it's a very nice Claude also, a kind of that ChatGPT kind of thing. Okay, guys, and then Flowise, coding is required, but very less when you are creating AI agent, right? Then as per your business requirement, if you want to do coding also, you can do coding, but that is not that much coding is required here. Okay, guys. And Azure OpenAI, yeah, if you want to create AI agent, then full coding is required. Azure Bedrock also full coding is required. Then based for the like ChatGPT, like I said, like daily users, learning, office purpose, document, those thing purpose, and Claude also same thing, similarly almost. But Flowise, if you want to create any automation, board, workflow, suppose you are running public cloud, right? I will give this example also in my future video. Like if you are running public cloud, and in the public cloud you want to see which all bucket have more data, like 90 days, more than 90 days, or 180 days data are there, they are not using. You want to identify which all bucket have those kind of data. So by using AI agent, we can do that. And how we can create a AI agent in the flow is that I will demonstrate in my future video. Okay, guys. Then coming to ChatGPT support Claude, no, and Claude itself Claude, so it will support definitely. Flowise also it will support. OpenAI it will not support, but AWS Bedrock it will support. Okay, guys. So now coming to the price, like ChatGPT free version also there, paid version also there. Claude also same free and paid, like a enterprise and open source. But Flow is fully self-hosted and open source. So and Azure and AWS is a pay as, like it's a, like other cloud service. As you use, you have to pay that much. Pay as you go. Okay. So that's all. So this is the overview of the AI agent. So in my subsequent video, I will demonstrate how we can use Flowise, how we can use ChatGPT, how we can use Claude. Okay, guys. So today I am just that's all. So I hope this video will helpful to you guys. And if you want to learn how we can create AI agent, then please do like this video, subscribe my channel, and I will bring that how we can create AI agent in my future video. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye.